Welcome to Nicholas Bridger, Truly Bespoke Kitchens at our showroom here in Bishop Stortford, featuring the Sub-Zero side-by-side fridge freezer, a truly iconic piece of equipment, very capacious, pull-out compartments that are soft close, water and ice dispenser, and an air scrub system here that's developed by NASA to purify the air and keep the food fresher for much longer than you would normally expect. This side is the freezer, again very large, and the wine storage unit, which has two zones, visually controlled. With pull-out shelving. Capacity 148 bottles. What makes a Sub-Zero truly unique is the freezer and the fridge have separate compressors. Normally a fridge would have one compressor serving both sides. This has two, and these are located above for easy access for maintenance with the water cartridge above there.